I have a brand new mold for you. It's the Tall Skinny Mini Mold. Hi Soapy friends, I'm Steph from Micas and More. I'm testing some new micas and a new fragrance oil using my brand new Tall Skinny Mini Soap Mold. Let's make soap. I pour the lye water into the melted oils and I stick blend until it reaches a light trace. I'm testing a scent called Serendipity. And this is Ruby Rose Mica. It's a color that I already carry in my store. I'm testing out this deep yellow mica. If it holds up well, I'll be adding it soon. The other test color is a medium green. And white satin mica is my background color. Let's get this soap in my new mold. First the green. Then I'll add some white satin mica soap for a lighter tint. Then I'll do a layer of white satin mica and I'll repeat this process with the rest of the colors. A few taps to remove air bubbles, and then I'll do a hanger swirl. A spoon is a great tool for sculpting tops, but I had a little trouble deciding when to stop. I'll top it off with Ice Brilliance Glitter. It's a synthetic mica with a large particle size. One last look before I put this one to bed. I'll put the soap in a box and in a thermal bag overnight. I only waited for 14 hours before trying to unmold, so I lost a little soap along the bottom edges. When I let my next soap sit for 24 hours, it came out perfectly. And here's the cut soap. For more info on how you can save on soap supplies through group buys, you can join Steph's Micas and More on Facebook, or see the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. And keep watching till the end if you'd like to see a blooper clip featuring my oldest daughter, Emily. Thanks for watching.